Hi guys! In the last video we talked about what a thought download is. In this video we're going to talk about separating the facts from the thoughts. The reason why this is so important is because in order to clean up our minds, we need to be aware of the story that we're telling ourselves. Remember that we have the ability to solve any problem, and part of that problem solving is solving what's going on up here. So let me give you an example of a problem one of my clients was having. She began our session with telling me how her husband was needy and he was driving her crazy, and all she could feel was dread around spending time with him. I asked her what he does to make her think that he's needy. And she was telling me it like it was just truth, like that was just the truth, that he is needy. I told her to ask me what specifically he does or says to make her think that. And she said, well, he says things like, take care of me, cuddle me. So I'm like, okay. And I asked her what she made that mean when he says things like that. And she told me, well, clearly it means he's needy. Okay, so this feels like super true to her. I began to explain that it wasn't her husband saying, take care of me, cuddle me, that was causing her dread. Rather, it was her thought, he's needy, that was causing her to feel dread. She could have as easily chosen the thought, my husband is a husband. I'm sorry, my husband is a human that has needs, and felt something completely different. Maybe she could have felt compassion and understanding instead of dread. Knowing the difference between a thought and a circumstance can change how you feel in any given moment. Remember, circumstances are facts. They're the things that everybody can agree on. It's the weather, it's what someone said to you, it's how people behave. It's the things that are beyond our own control. The thoughts are the sentences in our brain, our stories about the circumstances, the drama that plays out in our minds. When we fill out the C line in the model, we want that to be very neutral, no emotion or charge. So for my client, the circumstance would be, husband said, take care of me, cuddle me. And those are in quotations. Those are things that he actually said, right? That can be proven in a court of law. The thought, he's needy, would go in the T line, and we would complete the rest of the model from there. When we start assigning the reason for why we feel anything, we start to assign our power, our own power. We start to give our power away to things that are beyond our control. And that keeps us in a place that's stuck and, we're feeling bad. When we can understand that the reason we feel anything is because of what we're thinking, we're able to take our power back, take ownership over what we're thinking, and go from there and start to create a life on purpose. I hope this video has helped you today. Please stay tuned for more videos about coaching and thought work. You'll be amazed at what you can create. Bye.